Llama Q. Llama Q.
All right.
Gotta rock the llama.
You said it was for Joe too.
Yeah.
I did have a question for Joe.
Hey, Llama Q.
So, also probably a question that was in somewhat of a way answered before, but besides, just classically showing love and whatnot and support, why do you support Above and Beyond Studios? Why do you support Freedom?
Hey, I want to touch on that anyway, so I appreciate you bringing it up. I remember Stefan kind of hit me up and said, do you want to get involved with my startup, like back in the day, a couple of years ago. And I just found that really inspiring because everybody's so focused on, I got to get the job, I got to kind of get settled after school. But, you dove right for getting involved in your passion project, building entrepreneurship, connecting that with your entrepreneurship goals. And that was something that inspired me. I think you guys do a great job of connecting with the community. I really like what Freedom TV is doing with that kind of database of folks that are active out here. And, everything, like, I'm always supporting Stefan. Like, it's a big inspiration to me. That's one of the reasons that I believe something like this is possible. Because, I try to talk to my parents about NFTs. Like, it might not connect with some of my family members. You already know, like, it might not connect, but what you guys have done, you haven't really let any of that kind of traditional stuff hold you back from going for your entrepreneurial goals with Above and Beyond with Freedom TV. So I've watched the growth and I've supported it always, and I respect it and admire it, and that's kind of driven me and my goals as well.
He's an inspiring dude.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Jesus.
Appreciate you, bro.
Amen, Joe. Let's get some buckets. I like that.
That was a good question.
That was a nice. That's a bucket. Hit him with the shoulder, all of it. Hello, amen. Let's get it. All right, that was a beautiful one. That was a beautiful llama Q too. Thank you guys. All right.